Investing in the S&P 500 can be an excellent way for beginners to gain exposure to the stock market. This index represents a diverse range of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States, making it a reliable option for long-term growth. To get started first, educate yourself about the S&P 500 and its significance as a benchmark for U.S. equities. One of the simplest ways to invest in the S&P 500 is through index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the index's performance. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, which helps mitigate risk compared to investing in individual stocks. When selecting a fund, consider factors such as expense ratios, historical performance, and management style. After choosing a fund, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces tailored for beginners, and some allow you to start with minimal investments. Once your account is set up, you can purchase shares of the index fund or ETF you've chosen. It's also wise to adopt a long-term investment strategy. Regular contributions, even small amounts, can compound over time. Furthermore, consider setting up automatic investments to consistently build your portfolio. Lastly, keep an eye on your investments, but avoid reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. By staying informed and maintaining a disciplined approach, you can navigate the journey of investing in the S&P 500 successfully.